here. Who's gonna be? Oh, Alex Sog, easy win here. I'll tell you. Oh, hey!
We are moving on to men 90.
Next up, we have senior men 90 kilos, undefeated from